Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. This is just a message. My tablet was stolen, and any information to place a horrible flavor on my name, on my ministry, I rebuke in Jesus' name. I also forgive because I know that with much prayer, God has got my back. I know they will be exposed. I have gone through this before. And if there's any reaching out, if there's anything that's going on, and they're asking for money, or they're saying something malicious under my name, whoever stole my laptop, my tablet, also made a new profile called Demented Stiffness 49. So whoever took my tablet knew what they were doing. Well, I want to say for the record that I forgive you. And all that you are doing will be exposed.